Let's face it, adulting can be hard. There's so many rules to follow.
I have to go around looking to see if anyone breaks any laws.
Bills to pay.
Learning that I have to pay a $342 loan to the bank.
Danger lurking around every corner.
The blood pressure should not be crazy high.
So the sooner you can get ready for the real world, the better. That's where Young AmeriTowne comes in.
Ultimately, we're here to have a real-life example of what it's like to be in an economy.
The educational program teaches these fifth graders from Dalton Elementary all about the grown-up experience.
I'm wearing a suit, kind of. And it's also interesting because we get to act like we're actually grown up and doing the jobs of older people.
From money managing and business basics
I'm learning that selling stuff is really hard.
to people skills.
I'm not going to hurt the patient, and the patient could scream, or something could accidentally kill the patient.
And while a potential malpractice sounds overwhelming, these students remain optimistic and engaged.
AmeriTowne's just flat out fun. You get to do so many things that kind of learn about the real world. It feels good. It feels electrifying, that little jolt of energy.
One little jolt to power a big plan for the future.
That was a lot of fun to hear students share that they want to be a teacher, a lawyer, a doctor, own their own business. So this really lends itself to getting students to really see what it's like.